Welcome to this short video on questioning. Questioning is your most powerful tool as a teacher in order to prompt learning to happen. One of the simplest ways to incorporate more effective questioning is to ask, how do you know? What are the benefits? Your students learn to justify their answer, and that the route to the answer is as important, if not more so, than the answer itself. Your students learn how to reason, and to notice that they are reasoning. Your students develop their ability to talk about mathematics, and that prepares them for writing down methods. An example of a closed question is 17 a prime number? The answer is yes, so you ask, how do you know? What responses might you get? Perhaps because it has only two factors, and you might then ask what those factors are. Perhaps because no other numbers go into 17, and you might then ask what do you mean by other numbers, or by go into, in order to encourage more rigorous thinking. Perhaps because it is an odd number, and you might then present a counterexample such as, does that mean that 15 is prime? You might want to look at the video on managing questioning in the classroom for some ideas on how to handle this. To start with, you may want to stick with just asking, how do you know? And then develop the follow-up questioning over time. You will find that often the follow-up questions will come into your mind without effort on your part, as you seek to learn what your students really understand. Here are some examples of how do you know questions. Try to think of some others that you could ask in one of the topics you're teaching soon. All you need to start with is to follow any answer given by a student with, how do you know? For more ideas on questioning, buy the ATM book, Thinkers.